Hello everyone and welcome to Neet Mentor. In this video, we will look at the updates regarding exam postponement for Neet PG 2023. There are different topics that might be coming in your mind. First is internship date, whether it will be extended further from 30th June to July in order to give the eligibility to Madhya Pradesh or some other state candidates. Okay, what happened in Pariksha Pe Charcha last yesterday? There was a Pariksha Pe Charcha event which was addressed by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and the application for NEET PG which got closed yesterday, can it be reopened? Why there is chance that it might get what is the reply on RTI filed? What is the dates for meeting with the ministers from the association, doctors association? Okay, so these are all topics that we are going to discuss today, which will give you some kind of clarity about the exam postponement chance and all. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and this is the contact number 9319128677. You can contact us on this number, and in the description of the video you can find Instagram link and Telegram group link. You can join Telegram and follow us on Instagram. We are also available on Twitter, so you can follow us up there as well. Okay, so um, first point. Okay, this year the postponement demand is different compared to last previous years, because this time even the exam gets postponed, there is no impact in terms of the session, because they already have fixed the internship completion date due to delayed session of the previous year as 30th of June. Okay, so the counseling is going to start definitely after 30th of June, because they need internship completion certificate in order to join the colleges. Okay, so even the examination is delayed. Okay, there is no impact on the session. So that's very peculiar thing about this year. Last year it was different. Okay, internship date extension. See, Madhya Pradesh High Court had given an interim order for the three candidates, okay, who applied for petition. So they were given eligibility to register for NEET PG application. Okay, but in the application form, the date which you select as internship completion, okay, the date it was showing 30th of June. Okay, so the system wouldn't allow. Okay, and there is hearing on 8th of February. So after that hearing, if they give clear cut decision, okay, that this it should be extended, then NMC has to extend the internship completion date. In case NMC decides not to extend the date, then the NMC has to go into the Supreme Court against MP High Court decision. So that will be another issue. Okay, but if the date is getting extended, then it will be applicable for all the candidates all over India, whether it's Madhya Pradesh or who is completing their internship by 25th of July or whichever date they choose. Okay, so that the date is yet to be decided. The entry order is given to allow the candidates to do the registration, but I don't know whether the candidate could register, because I spoke with other candidates who were not one of those three. They were not able to register. They are from Madhya Pradesh only, because the system wouldn't allow to go beyond the 30th June internship completion date. Okay, so that's another thing which will come into picture in the coming days, because 8th February is the hearing. Okay, so we are saying that internship may get extended. If it gets extended up to 31st of July, then the counseling will definitely start after 31st of July. And then the examination date and the internship completion date will have more than 4 months of gap. So what is the meaning of this gap? Okay, now coming to what happened in Pariksha Pe Charcha. Yesterday there has to be representative from a group of students or aspirants. Okay, I I watched the Pariksha pe Charcha partially, not fully. Okay, so I heard that students were asking question to Honorable Prime Minister. Okay, but there was no representative. Okay, from any association regarding NEET PG, uh, NEET PG postponement. Okay, so there is no update regarding what happened. I think there is nothing happened. Now there are two people in this world who will decide the fate of exam postponement. One is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and second person is Health Ministry Mansukh Mandaviya ji. So in every tweet you see these two people are getting tagged and addressed. Okay, so first they have the association have already filed sent letters from different association. This letter was sent, but sending letter doesn't give you a surety that your demand will be listened. Okay, because you know the authority is the government of India. Okay, if they have decided based on some facts, okay, they will have their own logic why not to postpone the exam, because they have different things. Okay, it may come along against them. So meeting as per, you can see PHIMA Doctors Association, a delegation of PHIMA will be having meeting with Honorable Health Minister Sri Mansukh Mandaviya ji regarding NEET PG 2023 postponement issue on 31st of Jan. Okay, we hope sir will listen to our demands and will provide some solution. So this tweet says that the meeting is going to happen on 31st of Jan, but you know the government proceeding and all, whatever the time they give, they may not stick to that time, so meeting may not happen. Okay, there is no surety. Okay, there is no official email or something like that. So that's after the meeting only we will come to know, but it's very uncertain. Now is 28th of Jan. You hardly have 1 month before the admit card will be published. Okay, and in 1 month if you are not sure about the date, okay, then I can understand there will be little deviation from your track of preparation. Okay, so who is responsible? The government must have taken quick decision regarding this, because there is no meaning of delaying it. Either they are not giving the priority to these issues. If there is no priority, then you are very anxious about or waiting eagerly to hear the decision from the government side. But if they have no priority, then they don't care much about it. Okay, we don't even hear much of noise from on Twitter like last year. Last year there was procession and there was protest also, but this year it's not like that. Okay, not much voice raised even from association. The tweets coming having different meaning. They sometimes they tweet like they are hopeless. So that's how it's happening. RTI reply. RTI was filed by Dr. Vivek Pandey, and it was on much like more than a week earlier, but still there is no reply. Okay, the reply was expected much earlier. Okay, so if there is no reply, it means that they are not concerned about the RTI, or they don't have proper answer. But it happens that for any RTI, whatever the current update, they need to update it, but they have not updated the reply for the RTI filed. So these are the things going on, and currently nobody can say. And someone is talking about the exam is already, the decision is taken that it is postponed up to 1st of May or some in the month of May, but there is no official like that. Okay, these rumors keep coming every year regarding postponement. Okay, so I don't want you to give much focus on such things. Okay, once it comes officially, then only you can assume, then only we will know that the postponement happened or not. But now it's very is happening like very 50-50 chance. Nobody can say whether it will be postponed, so you have to wait and watch. Okay, but at the same time every passing day you are losing time, so you have to be you have to keep focus on your examination preparation. Okay, so that if it doesn't get postponed, then you are not having so much of loss. Okay, So this is the update, and in a summary, in nutshell, I can say there is no concrete update as of now regarding postponement. It's all in kind of dilemma. Okay, so that's all from my side. If I get any official or any concrete update from my side, I will definitely post. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.